Good morning, students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In our last episode, we discussed the first and second paragraph of the topic, the Festival of Northeast India. Today, we shall discuss the third and fourth paragraph. In this video, we will know the meaning of important words and phrases of the third and fourth paragraph, substance of the two paragraphs, important short answer type questions and their answers, and important long answer type questions and their answers. So let's move to the third paragraph. Blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam have a lot to celebrate. Bihus are among the major cultural festivals of Assam. They are a series of three prominent festivals: Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is also known as Bohag Bihu. It is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring and the beginning of the sowing season. It also marks the start of a new year there. Kongali or Kati Bihu is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush but the barns are empty. On this occasion, people light lamps and pray God for the thriving harvest and to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali, called Magha Bihu, is observed in the mid-January. The festival symbolizes the end of harvest season. It is a thanksgiving when the crops have been harvested and the barns are full. Let's discuss the important words and phrases. Lush, that means growing very thickly and well. Mighty means great and powerful. The mighty Himalayas lie in the north of India. Celebrate, it means to mark an occasion by enjoying. We celebrate Diwali with great joy and zeal. Now, prominent, which means very important. Car festival is a prominent celebration of Odisha. Onset, it means arrival. With the onset of monsoon rain, farmers in Odisha start ploughing. Sow, it means to put seed in the field. Linko needed 100 pesos to sow his field again. Then mark, which means indicate. Make the sign. The cloudy sky marks that it will rain today. Now barn, the storehouse of grain. Heaven means the abode of gods and goddesses. Bless, it is a verb. Its noun is blessing. Green is an adjective. Its noun is greenery. Mighty is an adjective. Its noun is might. Celebrate is a verb and its noun is celebration. Prominent, it is an adjective. Its noun is prominence. Observe is a verb and its noun is observation. Season is a noun. Its adjective is seasonal. Now let's make sentences using the noun and verb form of some words. First, mark. In noun, the sentence will be, there is a red mark on the wall. And in verb, it will be, you will mark the red spot on the wall. Start, its noun. Basanta Utshava indicates the start of spring in India. And in verb form, my examination starts on Monday next. Just like harvest. Noun, we have a good harvest this year. And verb, we harvested 20 quintals of paddy last year. Now let's move to the substance. The two important gifts of nature to Assam are the thick cornfield that promise a good harvest, the mighty river Brahmaputra which the people of Assam proud of. In the lap of Himalayas, the people of Assam have developed a unique culture that is reflected in their festival. The most important festival of Assam is Bihus. Bihus is a series of 3 prominent festivals indicating 3 stages of cultivation. They are Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is also known as Bohag Bihu. It is celebrated in mid-April with the approaching of the spring season. It indicates the new year in Assam. Kongali Bihu is also known as Kati Bihu. It is celebrated in mid-October when the cornfield look green with lost paddy plants, but farmers' barn is empty at that time. On the occasion, the people of Assam light lamp in the field and pray God for a good harvest, as well as to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali Bihu is also known as Magha Bihu. It is observed in mid-January. It indicates the end of the harvest season. The people of Assam show their thankfulness to God for giving a good harvest, as by the time their barn has been full. Now let's discuss some important questions and their answers. What are the 2 blessings of nature to Assam? Answer: lush greenery and mighty river Brahmaputra. Second, what is the most important festival of Assam? The answer: Bihus. How many Bihus do people of Assam celebrate? Answer: 3. Fourth question, what are the 3 important Bihus that the people of Assam celebrate? Answer: Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Fifth question, what is the other name of Rongali Bihu? The answer: Bohag Bihu. Sixth question, when is Rongali Bihu celebrated? The answer: in mid-April. Seventh question, what does Rongali Bihu mark in Assam? Answer: the start of new year. Eighth question, what is the other name of Kongali Bihu? The answer: Kati Bihu. When is Kongali Bihu celebrated? Answer: in mid-October. Next, what do people do during Kongali Bihu? Answer: they light lamp in the field and pray God for good harvest and guide souls to heaven. Next question, what is the other name of Bhogali Bihu? Answer: Magha Bihu. Next, what does Magha Bihu mark? Answer: the end of harvest season. Next, why do people of Assam celebrate Bhogali Bihu? Answer: to thank God. There is one long answer type question here, that is, what are the 3 prominent Bihus celebrated in Assam? The answer, the people of Assam celebrate 3 prominent Bihus. They are Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu or Bohag Bihu is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring before the seed is sown. It marks the start of new year. Kongali Bihu or Kati Bihu is celebrated when the field looks green but barns are empty. During the festival, people light lamps and pray God for a successful harvest and to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali Bihu or Magha Bihu is celebrated in mid-January to give thanks to God for giving good harvest. All the Bihus are celebrated with traditional songs and dance. Let's move to the fourth paragraph. Any Bihu celebration is considered incomplete without melodious folk song and traditional dance. The Bihu dance is joyous one. Young men and women get in their best traditional attire and perform the dance with brisk steps and hand movement. The tune of traditional musical instruments including cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol, which is similar to the drum, and the pepa, which is a wind instrument made of buffalo horns, add different kinds of flavor to the dance as well as the atmosphere. The songs have been handed down through many generations. Here, considered means to have regard to. I consider Ramesh as my brother. Melodious means having a pleasant sound. I like to listen melodious songs. Joyous means full of joy. The drama I saw yesterday was a joyous one. Brisk means quick or energetic. He went out of the room briskly. Cymbals, one pair of round metal plates used as a musical instrument. Bamboo clapper, it is a type of Chinese musical instrument made of bamboos. Dhol, it is similar to drum. Pepa, a wind music instrument made of buffalo horn. Flavor means distinctive taste. The curry has a unique flavor. Hand down, it means to transmit from one generation to another. Fables are handed down from age to age. Folk songs and traditional dance are the soul of Bihu festival. The Bihu dance of Assam is very pleasant. It is famous all over India. The young men and women in their best traditional attire perform the dance with the movement of hands and legs speedily. The music instrument like cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol and pepa make the dance more attractive. The song of Bihu dance has been transmitted from mouth to mouth through many generations, without which is the Bihu dance incomplete, without melodious folk song and traditional dance. Which musical instruments are played during Bihu dance? Answer: cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol and pepa. What is pepa? Wind music instrument made of buffalo horn. Bihu is a festival of music and dance. Explain. Answer: melodious folk song and traditional music are the soul of Bihu celebration, without which Bihu celebration is considered incomplete. In this festival, the young men and women in their traditional attire perform traditional dance with the brisk movement of feet and hand. The traditional music instruments like cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol and pepa are used in this dance. So students, in this way we completed the third and fourth paragraph of the topic, the festival of Northeast India. Next time we will see the festival of Arunachal Pradesh. See you soon. Stay blessed.